Do you know the woman who turned compassion into a revolution? Florence Nightingale stood at the forefront of nursing during the Crimean War, illuminating the path for others with her unwavering commitment to those in need. Her tireless efforts improved the conditions of hospitals, ultimately reducing infection rates and saving countless lives. Nightingale not only cared for the wounded, but also redefined the standards of nursing, establishing protocols that would guide future generations. Through her groundbreaking work, Florence Nightingale became a pioneer in data-driven healthcare, using statistics to advocate for reform in medical practices. Her legacy endures, inspiring countless individuals to pursue the noble profession of nursing with compassion and integrity. Today, her teachings continue to resonate, encouraging new generations of nurses to embrace the principles of care and empathy as they step into the world of healthcare. Florence Nightingale truly remains an enduring symbol of compassion and dedication in nursing.